Hi! In front of me is Nokia X10 and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this Nokia smartphone. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now you need to look for location icon and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, after that, location of this Nokia is off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can always go into settings as well, look for location section here, access it, and then manage location by tapping on this switcher next to use location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!